attention from the media and President Trump again.
Fuck Donald Trump, bitch.
Lynch of the NFL's Oakland Raiders stands for the Mexican
Yep.
anthem and sits down to booze for our national anthem.
Yep.
Great disrespect.
Yep.
Next
Fuck
time,
you.
NFL should suspend him for remainder of season, attendance and ratings way down. For more on all of his take.
Let's just spin your dumb ass, motherfucker. All the goofy shit you do every day. When you gonna get suspended, motherfucker? Fuck you. I'm with Marshawn Lynch, nigga. Stand up for the Mexican president, Mexican motherfucking national anthem. We fuck with Mexicans, nigga. They the homies. Fuck you, bitch. Fuck you, Donald Trump, and everything you stand for. LeVar Ball, good looking out. I wouldn't have thanked that motherfucker either. Fuck you. Should have left him in jail. What kind of nigga is you, man? Garbage. America, y'all should be ashamed to call this piece of shit y'all president. He ain't mine. Fuck him.